The Financial Planning Calculator is a publicly available tool intended for all current and prospective students, as well as parents. You can use it as a guide to estimate what a year of study at U of T will cost and compare it to your anticipated income. It's also useful for students who are new to Canada and aren't sure what it costs to live in Toronto, Mississauga, or Scarborough. Before we begin, make sure you have an idea of what you will be studying and what your living situation and expected income from all sources might be throughout the next year. We begin with the background information section. Here you should select all of the information that will apply to you for the upcoming academic year. For this example, let's say I'm an undergraduate student studying in the Faculty of Arts and Science. The calculator also accommodates graduate programs in the School of Graduate Studies, the Toronto School of Theology, and undergraduate professional programs such as nursing. Next, I'll choose my upcoming year of study and program of study. I won't be studying any of the programs in this list, so I'll choose all other programs. Next, select whether you are a domestic or international student. This will have an impact on the tuition fees calculated. You have a few options for what your living situation will be, so select the one you feel matches you best. You can always go back and recalculate later. If you're staying in student residence, select which residence and room type you'll be staying in. If you're not sure where you'll be staying, just focus on what type of room you prefer. Finally, choose how you'll be getting to your classes. I'll select cycling. Click Continue, and you'll be brought to the income section. Here you should enter estimates for the following income types. Current savings, for example, summer job earnings that you already have and will be using towards school and living expenses this year. Expected monthly employment income, if you'll have a job during your study period. Parental financial support for the year. Government financial assistance like OSAP. Any monetary awards from U of T or external sources, and anything else that you think doesn't fit into the above categories. After clicking Continue, you'll be brought to a list of expenses that the calculator has estimated based on your background information provided. To see definitions of each value and to see where the information comes from, hover over the label you're curious about. If a value doesn't match what you'll be spending, you can always change it. I'm going to have a cheaper cell phone plan and spend a bit on bicycle maintenance each month. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Continue to see your final calculations. On this budget summary page, you'll find a graph that compares your estimated income and expenses and tells you if you have a budget, deficit, or surplus. There are a few things that you can do at this point. First, you can explore the budget resources. These are personalized to you based on your entered information. You can also jump back to a previous step to explore some alternatives. To save money, I'm going to see how things would be different if I lived at my parents' place while studying. I could also work a few more hours during the summer to try and make up for the deficit. After you're done making adjustments, click Recalculate Budget. Each time you make changes, your budget summary will be updated once you come back to this page. That's it. If you have any comments or feedback, feel free to click the Send Feedback button in the calculator and send us an email.